Imagine a plate of delicious egg-fried rice, perfectly seasoned, with fluffy grains of rice, golden bits of egg, and a colorful medley of vegetables. It's a simple dish, but one that's packed with flavor. This Asian-inspired classic is a versatile delight, easily adjusted to personal taste. Whether you're a fan of a bit more spice or a vegetarian who's keen on adding more veggies, there's room for creativity. So, stick around because today, you'll learn how to make this delightful dish right in your own kitchen. The beauty of egg-fried rice is in its simplicity. Here's what you'll need. First, you'll require 3 cups of cooked and cooled rice. It's the backbone of our dish, providing the perfect canvas for our assortment of flavors. Next, we have 3 eggs, a rich protein source that will add a distinct creamy texture to the dish. For our veggies, we've got a medium-sized onion and 2 cloves of garlic, which will provide a hearty base of flavor. We'll also be using a small diced carrot and half a cup of frozen peas, adding a pop of color and a hint of sweetness. Then, we'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil for frying, along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce for that essential umami punch. Salt and black pepper will be used to taste, and green onions can be chopped for garnish, adding a fresh crunch to your plate. These are the basic ingredients, but feel free to add your favorite veggies or proteins. The first step is preparing the egg. Start with 3 fresh eggs, crack them into a bowl, and beat them until the yolks and whites are fully combined. This is an important step as it ensures that your eggs will cook evenly. Now, let's add a bit of flavor. Season your beaten eggs with a good pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. This will help to enhance the natural flavor of the eggs and give them a bit of a kick. Now it's time to cook your eggs. Heat up a large frying pan or wok over medium heat and add a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, pour in your seasoned eggs. Let them sit for a moment before stirring. As the eggs begin to set, break them up into small pieces with a wooden spoon or spatula. Once your eggs are fully cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside for later use. With your egg prepared, you're ready to move on to the vegetables. Next, you'll prepare the vegetables and rice. This is where the magic really starts to happen. First, you'll need to sauté the chopped onion and garlic. This is an essential step in building the flavors of your egg-fried rice. You'll cook them until they are translucent, releasing their wonderful aromas. Now it's time to add the diced carrots and frozen peas. These veggies will add a pop of color and a pleasing crunch to your dish. You'll want to stir them around for a couple of minutes until they begin to soften. Then you'll introduce the chilled cooked rice to the pan. The key here is to gently fold the rice into the vegetables, ensuring everything gets nicely mixed. If you notice the rice sticking to the pan, don't hesitate to add a bit more vegetable oil. Now, for the secret weapon, the soy sauce. This will give your egg-fried rice its distinctive color and a deep, salty flavor. Drizzle it evenly over the rice and stir everything together. Finally, the scrambled egg makes its triumphant return. Fold it in, letting it mingle with the rice and veggies. The egg will heat up again from the residual warmth of the rice. With everything mixed together, you're almost ready to serve. The aroma should be mouth-watering by now, and you're just a few steps away from enjoying your delicious homemade egg-fried rice. Now for the final touches. It's time to season your dish to perfection. Adjust the salt and pepper to your liking. Remember, the beauty of cooking at home is that you have full control over the flavors. For an extra kick, you can also add some chili flakes or hot sauce. Now, let's add a vibrant splash of color and fresh crunch with the optional addition of chopped green onions. Sprinkle them over your rice for a lovely contrast in taste and texture. The moment we've all been waiting for is here. It's time to serve this delightful dish. Whether you're serving it as a main course or a side dish, remember to serve it hot to enjoy its full flavor. Make sure to fluff the rice gently with a fork before serving to ensure it's not clumpy. And there you have it, a delicious plate of egg-fried rice. Enjoy making and eating this delightful dish.